adding fruit to the cake mix is possible? The answer is yes. Remember, making cakes using a boxed cake mix is easier than making a cake from scratch. These cake recipes using a boxed cake mix can be amazing. The main reason is that your guest may think you have made it from scratch. Also, adding fresh fruit to your boxed cake mix will make it more elegant, tasty, and presentable. So, transcend your boring boxed cakes into these delicious recipes. And share these cake recipes with your family and friends. What you will need in making this recipe. Ingredients. For the cake. 1 box of white cake mix, including the ingredients listed on the package. 2 pieces of large peaches that you must peel and dice, about 2 cups. 1 tablespoon of flour. Sliced peaches for garnish, optional. For the frosting. 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. 1½ teaspoons of vanilla. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Step by step. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. After that, take your 9 by 13-inch cake pan. Then, lightly grease it using a non-stick cooking spray. Step 2. Then, place your diced peaches into a bowl. Afterward, add a tablespoon of flour. Also, stir using a rubber spatula to coat the peaches and set them aside. Afterward, prepare your white cake mix. In addition to that, follow the instructions stated in the box. Step 3. After that, add your peaches to the cake mix batter. Then, fold until well combined. Next, pour your Easy Peach cake batter into your 9 by 13-inch cake pan that you lightly grease. Then, spread the batter evenly. After that, bake the peach cake for about 30 to 35 minutes. Likewise, you can bake till the cake cooks thoroughly. Step 4. Once you finish baking the cake, please remove it from the oven. Then, place it in a cooling wire rack to cool completely. While your peach cake is cooling, add your frosting ingredients to a large mixing bowl. Afterward, beat them using an electric mixer. Step 5. When the cake cools entirely, take your frosting. Then, spread it over your peach cake using an offset spatula. Also, garnish with cinnamon powder and sliced peaches on top. As always, slice, serve and enjoy. Tips and tricks. You can add more cinnamon to your frosting if desired. We used a teaspoon, but if you want a stronger cinnamon taste, you can double the cinnamon in the recipe. If you are really in a bit of a rush, you can use store-bought frosting and add cinnamon powder. If you are buying a frosting, ensure that your store-bought frosting is light and airy. It is crucial to make the peach flavor shine through. You can substitute yellow or vanilla cake mix for this easy peach cake recipe. Coating your peaches in flour helps the fruit stay in place instead of sinking to the bottom when baking. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.